you have an emergency window breaker, you have a seatbelt cutter, and you also have a built-in flashlight. I'm amazed at how much this portable car inflator does. I actually got this through Amazon Vine, and honestly, I like to call this a 4-in-1 tool because of how many functions it has built into it. So first right here, you have the seatbelt cutter. Then over here, you have the window breaker, which is covered with a little protective cap for safety. It also comes with a USB charging cable. And then over here, we have this hose, which gets attached to the compressor. So this hose here will be in charge of all the air pumping, whether it's for cars, bicycles, bowls. The list is endless. And what's also nice is that they included 4 different adapters. So these will work for different scenarios depending on your needs. And to install adapters, you just push them into the hose. This is quite a versatile tool, and we are going to go ahead and test it using one of my kids' bowls. So for my son's bowl, we are going to use the thinner adapter, which works really well for bowls and smaller inflator bowls. To turn the inflator on, you just press and hold the power button. Then you can tap through the different modes or presets depending on what you're inflating. So there's 5 different presets for bowls, bicycles, motorcycles, cars, and then there's a custom use one. And after choosing the mode, you just press the power button again and it starts inflating. Honestly, this bowl inflated really well. I have used a few different inflators on this bowl, and this is definitely the best one so far. Up close, you have the different presets here, and it has a maximum pressure of 180 psi. On top of this being an inflator, you have an emergency window breaker, you have a seatbelt cutter, and you also have a built-in flashlight. To top it up, it comes with a storage bag to keep everything together neatly. This is a really smart emergency and everyday tool to keep in the car.